Here's how to upgrade an existing customer's Control4 project to X4. Note that the controller must be at version 3.4.2 or higher for this process. Before upgrading to X4, ensure the following requirements have been met. 1. Your OvrC account has been linked to your dealer account. You can check this by navigating to the Overview tab of the Account page in OvrC. 2. You are the customer's dealer of record. 3. You are signed into Composer Pro with an account from the dealer of record dealership. 4. The customer's controller is registered. Once you've made sure all requirements have been met, start by navigating to the customer's site in OvrC. In the Categories tab, under Control and Automation, click Invite Customer to X4, then click Send Invite. The customer receives an email inviting them to upgrade to X4. To accept the invitation, the customer will open the email and click the Open Control4 app button. In the OS3 app, an Upgrade to X4 invitation window will open. The customer will tap Request Upgrade, then tap Done. You and your customer will both receive confirmation emails. The customer's email will explain the next steps of the upgrade process. Your email will include details about the system and a notification saying you can now proceed to update. Note, if the customer declines the invitation, you can resend it in the future by going back to Control and Automation and clicking Invite Customer to X4. Or the customer can request the upgrade themselves by opening the OS3 app, navigating to Account, Settings, then tapping Upgrade to X4. Once the customer has accepted the invitation to upgrade to X4, you are now ready to upgrade their project. Log in to OvrC and navigate to the customer's location. In the Categories tab, under Control and Automation, an Upgrade to X4 button appears. Click to update their project to X4. Note that you can also initiate this update from Composer Pro. The update process can take several minutes to complete. Once the project has been updated to X4, it's time for the customer to download and set up the X4 app. When the customer opens the OS3 app following the update, they will see a window asking them to download the X4 app. Tapping the Download X4 app button will navigate them to where they can download the new app. Once the X4 app is downloaded, the customer will open the app and tap the Register button. After agreeing to the terms and privacy policy, they will confirm their information, then tap Next. On the Select Subscription page, they will choose between the X4 and Connect plan or the X4 only plan. Then check out if applicable. The customer's system has now been upgraded to X4.